Hello everyone, this is DJ Dimaliwat and welcome to another episode of Your Life Insurance Questions Answered. And in this episode, sasagutin natin yung question of one of our viewers and audience, hopefully subscriber, diba? That sabi niya, DJ, can I increase my insurance coverage in my existing policy? Kung 1 million siya, pwede ko bang gawing 2 million in the future, yung same policy? And also, why should I buy another policy? Why should I add another policy? I will give you some of the reasons I have in mind. Ano yung mga dapat mong gawin in this video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Yun. Click mo yung red button ng subscribe dyan. And of course, hit the like button. It only takes 1 second. It makes a lot of difference for this video. And of course, turn on that notification bell so that you will get all the updates whenever I come up with new videos like this. Okay, pwede ba dagdagan yung insurance in the same policy? 'Di ba? And ano ba yung mga reasons bakit magandang bumili or should I buy another policy? Should I add another policy? So first and foremost, sagutin natin kung can you add or can you increase your coverage in the future should you decide. No? So people who are asking this probably hanggang dito lang, let's say muna yung budget nila, kaya lang nila 1 million. Pero ang gusto talaga nilang coverage is 2 million. Or maybe gusto mo ng 1 million coverage pero hindi pa kaya ng budget mo ngayon. 600,000 lang yung kaya mong mabili. Pwede ko bang gawing 1 million yan in the future? 'Di ba? So the answer is in the same policy, usually most if not all, hindi siya pwede nang ma-edit. If 600,000 na siya, hindi mo nga pwedeng babaan eh. Hindi mo rin pwedeng lakihan. Right? As far as I know. For most designs of the product, kung financial advisor ka, nanonood ka nito, correct me if I'm wrong. No, Film Life has one product na at age 60, pwede mong gawing 10% na lang, liitan yung insurance mo. At major life events, pwede mong lakihan. Pero it's too complicated. Ang hirap din i-explain. Ang hirap din siyang i-explain. So, ang general answer ko is no. 'Di ba? What you should do is you just need to add another policy. You can always buy an additional policy in the future. Wala pong limit ang pwede mong bilihin na life insurance. So, pwede kang mag-multiple policies. And yun yung ideal. For me, if you will ask me, yun yung i-recommend ko na gagawin mo. There's a study that people buy an average of 7 policies in their lifetime. Bakit? Pag talagang believer ka at naintindihan mo yung concept nito, gugustuhin mo talagang bumili ng marami kasi you would understand maraming different goals, number 1. Number 2, kulang pa yung una mong nabili. So kung meron kang life insurance ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo, 99% of you who are watching, it's not enough for your needs. And I have a separate video for that kung magkano yung life insurance na kailangan mo. Right? So, why should add another policy? Now, my belief, and this is my training, I also train my people, the financial advisors in my team about this, that ideally we should have a separate policy for each goal. Right? So we should have a separate policy for each goal. For example, mayroon tayong 4 to 5 major goals sa financial planning. I have a video for that again. So we want savings probably in the future, long-term savings. Pero yung mga specifics, we would want life insurance. 'Di ba? Gusto mo ma-cover ka. Gusto mo ma-cover yung family. If you're a breadwinner, sa'yo umaasa, kailangan meron kang life insurance. Magkano life insurance kailangan mo? Minimum 10 years of your annual income or more. Kung bata pa yung anak mo, hanggang makagraduate yan, hanggang maging independent yan. Example na lang, kung 5 years old yung anak mo, maybe hanggang age 25. So, 20 years worth of your income, yun yung kailangan mong life insurance. No? So, you need a separate policy for that. And probably, kung bumili ka ng 1 million, hindi siya enough. If you're earning 1 million na lang a year, edi kailangan mo ng 10 million at least. If you're earning 500,000 in a year, edi kailangan mo ng 5 million at least. Kung 1 million pa lang yung policy mo, kulang yan. No, wag mo nang tignan kung i-increase mo yan, bumili ka na lang ng additional because you need more life insurance. The more your income grows, the more your family grows and your expenses grows, the more your need for life insurance grows. So you need a separate policy. That's why you need to add more. Another goal is health. health insurance. Meron kami health insurance na meron din siyang investment. We call that Health Invest. So it's a good start. Pero hindi pwedeng yun lang. Bakit? Paano pag tumanda ka na? Hindi ka nagkasakit. So that's good. 'Di ba? Tapos ginamit mo yung pera na yun for education ng kids mo. Winidraw mo lahat. Kasi VUL, 'di ba? Winidraw mo lahat ng yung health insurance coverages mo, mawawala kasi winidraw mo lahat ng account value, ginamit mo for a certain need like education or nag-travel ka, whatever, nag-business ka. Naging savings mo siya, naging successful ka, that's good. However, mawawalan ka ng health insurance, ng critical illness kung meron yan, hospitalization kung meron siya, kung kailan ka mas tumanda. 'Di ba? So there should be a separate plan na para sa health lang. Hindi mo siya gagalawin for any other purpose. Yung VUL niya, yung account value niya sa loob, ideally, para pag tumanda ka, 'di ba, meron kang health fund. Doon mo kukunin yung pang maintenance medicine mo, pang pa-check up mo, hospital, etc. That's the goal. Yun yung goals, #goals in life, 'di ba? Another thing, third thing we need is education. So if you have a family, meron kang kids, so kailangan mo ng goal for education. You need, ang maganda sa life insurance, nag-iipon ka for the college or high school, habang ginagawa mo yan, insured ka during today. So that anything happens in the near future, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, let's say upon death, di ba pag sa bangko or sa stock market, hindi ka makakaipon enough kasi konti pa lang yung years mo eh. But there's life insurance that will shoot up, that can pay for the immediate needs of your family, like pagkain, lifestyle, probably education ng anak mo habang nasa grade school pa sila or high school. Right? So habang pinag-iipunan yung college, maganda kung covered ka rin ng life insurance. For me, that's the purpose of an educational plan na merong life insurance. Hindi siya purely ipon-ipon or investment lang. So there's a separate for that. Hindi mo siya pwedeng galawin for health. Hindi mo siya pwedeng galawin for magbibinegosyo ka, withdrawin mo na lang. Kasi gagastusin mo rin yun. Guys, education is a guaranteed expense. Either you save now, and so that you will reap the rewards later, or hindi mo yan gawin ngayon, magbabayad ka rin in the future, baka kailangan mo pang utangin and then you pay for interest. 'Di ba? So you pay now and enjoy it later, have that money later, you earn interest, or you pay later, probably borrow money in the future and even pay interest. Anong gusto mo? Another thing, another goal, that's why you need to add another policy, is you need something for your retirement. Di ba pag isa lang ang VUL mo, isa lang ang fund mo, whatever that is, whether it's in the stock market, whatever investment, kung galawin mo yan sa education ng anak mo, ginalaw mo siya sa business, wala ka na natira for retirement, kawawa. Di ba? Kanino ka aasa? Kanino ka aasa for your retirement? Sa mga kids mo din. Di ba? So there should be a separate fund for retirement. Ideally, 20 years mo yan minimum iniipon. That's the basic rule of thumb in preparing for retirement, at least 20 years. So that's why you need to add another policy. And of course, ang pinakamaganda dito based on experience, of course, pag malaki masyado yung kinuha mo kagad na policy, okay naman yon. The challenge is, paano pag nagkaroon ng financial problem? Hindi nga nare-reduce yung insurance, di ba? So, let's say, kumuha ka ng 5 million kaagad, hindi mo kayang bayaran, ang kaya mo lang bayaran, let's say half of it, hindi pwede. So, ipapalaps mo yun, uulit ka na naman ng bago, ganun yung mangyayari. So, ang panalo, if you have multiple insurance policies, kahit maliliit yan, 600,000, 500,000, 1 million, kahit pa umabot ng 20 yan. Me, right now, I have 15, I think, in our family or more na. 'Di ba? No? Pag meron kang hindi mabayaran, isa lang yung mababawas. You can still pay for others. So, you can choose ano yung pinaka gusto mong insurance dyan. Yung pinakamalaki yung coverage, maybe yun yung iiwan mo. Meron pa rin matitira. Hindi ka makabayad, ubos na lahat. 'Di ba? Yun yung kagandahan if you have multiple insurance policies. So, huwag kang tumingin dun sa isa lang. Tignan mo, it's a progressive goal. That's why you work with your financial advisor. You gotta choose the right financial advisor that will continuously update you, that will continuously educate you, because that's the purpose of financial advisors. We earn commission, that's correct, right? But our service is long term as well. Like hindi na siya 1 year ngayon lang. It can be 5 years minimum, 10 years, even 20 years hanggang mag-retire ka. Nandun dapat si financial advisor mo. 'Di ba? Yes, you give them referrals, 'di ba? Yun yung maganda kasi syempre kailangan din nilang kumita, but really that's the purpose. We want to take care of you and your finances. We are the advisor. para lang yang may accountant ka, para lang yang may lawyer ka. We give the needed financial advice for you and your finances. So, that's about it for this episode. If you have other questions about life insurance, just type in the comment section para magawa natin ng video yan in the future. If you have questions about some of our products, you can watch some of my videos. And kung gusto mo magpa-quote, just send me your full name and birthday. Punta ka lang sa Facebook page ko, that's DJ Dimaliwat. Go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat Official. So thank you very much guys for watching, and this another episode. Kita-kita ulit tayo next time. Don't forget to subscribe again in my YouTube channel. Hit mo yung like button kung umabot ka dito, and turn on that notification bell for more of my future videos. Bye-bye!